the proposal. Then the second agenda, which is very, very important, is relating to the price of petrol and diesel. As you are all aware, that Government of India has reduced the excise duty of petrol and diesel product in the whole country. So the state government also in line with the advice from the Government of India has taken a decision that further reduction on price of petrol and price of diesel has to be implemented immediately from the midnight of tonight. Means early 6th, today's 5th, right? Early 6th from 12:001, new rate will be in place from tonight. Okay. The tax reduction, as you are all aware, till today, the government of Meghalaya has reduced the tax to 20% on 20% on petrol and 12% on diesel. So today we have reduced the taxed percentage from 20% on petrol to 13.5%. From 20% to 13.5% per liter of petrol, and also from 12% on diesel, it has been reduced to 5% per liter. From 12% to 5% per liter on diesel and 20% to 13.5% on petrol.